G'day guys, this is the latest project. I've got one of these SPS longtail kits and fitted a paramotor motor to it. It's a Solo 210, so I made up the expansion chamber. Got all the measurements off the internet of how to make it. Made a coupling here that goes from the taper drive to a 3/4 drive, and some spacers to weld to this alloy base plate that I got with the motor. So yeah, we'll give her a start up, see how she sounds. Thanks to Marty out in Arawahia who sold us the kit. So we took the boat out. It went really great. It was probably too powerful, even though it was running at about 3/4 of what it should be running at. It was missing and carrying on, and it would suddenly take off with heaps of power. But pretty impressed with it. But we might have to get a high-speed prop, so I could see it cavitating when I was trying to speed up. And I need to run the exhaust all the way down to the water because it's super loud. So stay tuned. Next time will be better.